Hey, thanks for coming to Serene in the Making. For this video, I'm bringing my sunflower sketch to life with colored pencils. If you haven't seen the drawing tutorial yet, don't worry, I'll link it down in the description for you. You can watch that one after this one for the full step-by-step process. For this coloring session, I'm pulling out a lot of pencil. I want to say 15, let's be real, it was probably 30, so I can really play with blending, layering, and adding dimension. It's a little bit of a challenge for me, but that's part of the fun. For me, it's about pushing myself to go creatively and still keeping the process relaxing and enjoyable. So whether you're coloring along with me or just here to unwind, I hope you grab your pencils or simply sit back and watch as this sunflower starts to glow with color. For this sunflower, I used a mix of Prismacolor, Crayola, and even some watercolor colored pencils. I wanted to really play with the different textures and see how they layer together. Instead of starting right away with yellow, I actually began with a light neutral peach. And here's where you can see I used it in the center and on the petals. After the peach and brown, I finally picked up a golden yellow to work on the petals. Moving down to the stem and the leaves, I started with a basic green and I kept the strokes light so I could layer other shades later on. I also decided to bring in a touch of orange and tan. My goal was to warm up the petals even more and give them a nice glow. By this point, the sunflower is coming together, so I just kept testing and layering. using different yellows, greens, and browns to see how each combination would look. The best thing about it is that if I made a mistake, I could easily hide it. That's the best thing about colored pencils. You can keep adding and adjusting until you get what you're looking for. Here's a fun fact for you. Sunflowers are known for always turning toward the light, which makes them a symbol of positivity and hope. This coloring tutorial and the sunflower drawing video are actually very important to me. It was requested by my mom. She loves plants, and seeing sunflowers in her yard sparked the idea for the flower tutorials. Hey, Mom! So I love colors and symbolism. I also like fun facts and history. So here's a quiz for you. What artist is known for their sunflower series that celebrates friendship and creativity? If you get the answer right, I'll give you an A+. Good news! This sunflower is almost finished. And I love the layers, I love the depth that I'm seeing. Whether you were coloring along or just relaxing, I hope this brought a little sunshine into your day. Remember, if you want to see the full step-by-step sunflower drawing, it's linked in the description and playlist. Also leave me a comment and see if you can figure out my quiz question. Alright, that's a wrap for me. Thanks for coming with me on my creative art journey. I'm going to go ahead and well, you know the rest.